Mamaya masakit sa test yan niya.
Catabolism. Kata. Kata.
Hindi ako kae.
Yeah. Catabolism is still the building up, but of materials to be excreted through what? The rectum. Now, what is the significance of this formation?
Yes, sir. I love you.
Why, if you eat tae, it will be transformed to an energy in motion class.
Because tae will be in the boundary mode.
Okay, first, I like Mariel's answer.
Well, because she's eating. Yeah! Ganit ka already moving.
What does LBM mean? Blood flow and movement.
Alam mo na. Almaranos yan po.
Everyone said a while ago that metabolism is eating anything and transforming to an energy. You suffer from LBMY. Can accumulate too much nutrients from the
May nutrients yung tae.
Let's practice that tae. Ay, let's discuss tae. Uy, nagyan daw dito ng daliri na. Dapat may nakakaya. Daliri. Lagyan mo ng daliri. Yeah.
Dapat nga malayo. Pag-iwo wallpaper ko nga para... Ano? Wag mo muna bitawan. Hoy, ang tagal.
Marami mga Okay, guys. Why would you suffer from LBM if you eat tae? Oh, it's well, first, tae. At fiber. Why did I say so? Because if you eat fiber, you're a floater, right? So what can fiber do to my intestine? Of course, it